Welcome back to Twist Fashion. Today we're going to be making these fabric circular earrings. So it's a nice marble fabric. So start with this is my little scrap of fabric, so it's also a useful way to use up your scrap fabric. So I've got this glass here because I'm just going to trace around the bottom for the circular shape. Easy for me to see, not really. Right. There we go. So I'm just going to cut around that. You also need some super glue or fabric glue, obviously the earring hooks, and I'm going to use a little wire, bit of wire to attach the hook onto the earring, onto the circular bit, which I'll show you in a minute. Can attach just directly onto it, but then I feel there's no movement in it. This one is a little bit looser from the hook, if you know what I mean. It's nicer, not so stiff. I've done the same with these ones, just added that little bit of wire to attach the hook. Right. So once you're happy with your shape, make it a bit neater, I'm going to stick that onto my fabric. Turn it around. Make sure the glue's not stuck. If you have any ideas or DIYs you want to see next, please do leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to show you them. I know some people are asking for some cinema hat bases. I am working on it, so they'll be up shortly, the videos. Alright, that's open now. This is just all-purpose super glue that I get from Wilkinson. I mean, you could probably get this from hardware store, craft store, anywhere really. Right, let's see what bit of, I quite like this bit of the pattern, so I'm going to stick it on there. And cut that out, or you could stick it and then you don't have to cut out twice. You can also find more of what I make on Instagram, which is twistfashion.uk. And please do subscribe to this channel for more DIYs. Alright, so where's my fabric scissors gone? They're my paper right here, they are. And you sort of feel your way around as close to the cardboard as possible. As neat as possible. I mean, you don't have to do a circular shape, you can do any shape. Quite like triangle earrings as well. There you go. border on it. That's got a little bit of the white, so try not, need to get it right on the fabric. Never mind. I'll keep these myself then. Right, so, and then poke a hole with your needle. I should do it there. Try and stick this bit of wire through. This is the tricky part. So it's finally gone through, go to the other side. Come on. There we go. Coax it through. There's your hook, your little hook. You can also stick a bit of super glue around these edges, or clear nail varnish to stop it from fraying. This doesn't want to go on. There we go. Close up the circle, the wire circle. And there we are. Two lovely little marble earrings. I hope you found this video useful, and hopefully I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.